About 3 dozen CPS Energy workers will soon be taking up residence in the state of Florida. They are heading out for Jacksonville this morning to provide help in the wake of the coming Hurricane Ian.
The crews will help homes and businesses get back online after the storm. Katrina Weber is live at the CPS Energy East Side Service Center on East Houston. And Katrina, any idea how long they will be gone?
Well, that's the big question this morning. A lot of it depends on what this hurricane does and how long it lasts. Now, they say that they could be there for up to 3 weeks, but right now we have them here. They've been getting some final instructions before they head out. They also heard from their CEO here this morning as they prepare to head out and face what is left after Hurricane Ian goes through Florida. Now, Hurricane Ian is expected to slam into Florida later today, bringing high winds, heavy rain, and probably lots of power outages. Jacksonville's electric company requested help from CPS Energy in handling the aftermath, restoring electricity to its customers. These crews tell me they are ready to help. And again, right now they've been getting some final instructions and a briefing before they head out. The plan is for them to leave in just a few minutes. They are going to drive to Mississippi first, where we understand they will spend the night. And then tomorrow they will head out for their final destination. They expect to be in Jacksonville by tomorrow afternoon. Reporting live on the east side, Katrina Weber, KSAT 12 News.